In busy laboratories, sample processing often suffers from human error and safety concerns. Have you faced these challenges too? TANBead presents the Maelstrom Switch 8, an automated nucleic acid extraction system. Paired with pre-filled reagents, it simplifies workflows and greatly reduces errors, boosting your lab's overall efficiency. Unlike traditional methods that involve non-REACH certificated chemical compound, TANBead helps make your experiments safer and more reliable. Automated workflows ensure consistent and accurate results every time, eliminating the risks and inconsistencies of manual handling. It also protects your team from harmful substances, creating a safer lab environment for everyone. Whether it's clinical diagnostics, research analysis, or diverse sample types, Maelstrom Switch 8 provides perfect support. A good platform delivers great results. When reviewing your data, you'll see the potential for publishing high-impact research. Compared to manual handling, Maelstrom Switch 8 completes sample preprocessing much faster. Manual workflows often require repeated steps and constant supervision, making them time-consuming and prone to errors and confusion. With Switch 8, you can handle diverse tasks effortlessly, boosting both efficiency and consistency. Maelstrom Switch 8 supports 3 throughput modes for flexible operation, features a cross-contamination-free design to ensure sample purity, is built under certified quality and safety standards to ensure trusted performance, and offers broad application compatibility to meet diverse laboratory needs. Automation begins with Maelstrom Switch 8, making your lab more efficient, safer, and more professional.